Felt embellishments are all the latest rage. The distinctive texture really adds interest and dimension to your scrapbook pages. It's simple to create your own felt digital embellishments. Let me show you how. First, you would scan real felt like this to get a digital image of that piece of felt. Take a look at my monitor here. I've got it scanned, and here's a preview of it. I'm going to save it and put it into my program here. Watch this. Once it's scanned like any other program, you can turn it into shapes or letters. To create a felt shape using your software program, you would do File, Open, and look at this scanned image. And then in order to enhance the texture, I would select Enhance, Unsharp Mask, and play with these sliders to try and enhance the felt's textures a little bit. When you're happy with it, click OK. Now to cut the felt sheet into an embellishment, I'm going to cut on the cookie cutter tool from the toolbar over here and select from all these different shapes that are in this box of choices here. I'm going to click on a star, and when I'm happy with that shape, I'm going to drag it over the felt background. You see that little green check mark there? I'm going to click on it to say that I'm happy with it and keep that shape proportional. Now my shape is cut out and mounted on a transparent background, which you can tell by the telltale gray checkerboard pattern in the background. Now in order to give the dimension to the star, I'm going to add a little bit of bevel here, over here from the Layer Style Special Effects. So as I click on these, you can see how it adds some shadowing behind the star. I think I like Simple Inner. Now I'm going to add a little bit more to that. If I select Drop Shadow from here, you can see that it adds a little bit of shadowing to really make it look 3D. I think I like the high amount here. So again, I'll click on the one that shows the amount of shadowing that I like. I'm not going to show you now, but in the same manner, you could also create felt titles and monograms over your felt backgrounds. Just type a letter on top of the felt image, then turn the background transparent. You're left with just the felt letter, just like we did with the star. You'd save them all as a PNG file so you can place them into your digital pages and elements. Let me show you where we did that with the one that I just printed here. Here are the stars after they've been printed and digitally placed on the page. Have fun with your shapes and letters. You can embellish them like these with buttons and brads and other kinds of digital embellishments. They'll always lay flat in your album and can be used repeatedly. So give your next project a heartfelt touch with your own digital felt creations.